Hi, Mike Braithwaite with Modern Atomics. We're live at CEDIA 2025. I am very happy to show you the latest collider, which is our series of PoE powered, shade powered switches. These are BT switches, meaning all 32 ports here can do 90 watts each port. And these also have the same energy storage modules that we made famous with the reactor series. So I can run these for up to 3 weeks with no power. And I can also do the colliders have a direct solar management for multiple solar tiles. So you can be 100% off grid. So the nice thing about Collider is it can save the earth, but it's probably the best PoE switch in this building. And yes, I'm heavily biased, but also we build these in Texas. So I want to give a sneak peek to the rAVe viewers here. This shows on the inside. So on the inside, these are the Modern Atomics boards, which were built in Houston. Here's our energy storage module, which is why it can last for up to the 3 weeks. And this product has a 10-year warranty on it. And so if you're doing PoE, you should come by booth 1120. We'd be happy to show you all of this. And I remember, in fact, let me show you the back. It's a big unit. So we hope that you come to our booth. We'd love to earn your business. Thank you very much.